Hey friends, wanted to show you a closer look at these 510 Freerider Pro mountain bike shoes. Now obviously having mountain bike shoes, if you've never used them before, highly suggest them. They offer a really nice stiff sole to help with pedal control. If you've been using like athletic shoes, maybe some running shoes, a lot of those have enormous amounts of flex in the sole, which is great for running. But what you want on a mountain bike shoe is a nice flat platform to keep your toes nice and stiff and give you more control on your pedals. Now these are designed without that clip-in. This is going to be for flat pedals. And as you can see, it has that nice stealth sole, a good rubberized beads all along here that are nice and sticky. So if you are walking a bike over rocks or the trail, it really is going to help you control yourself and not slide around or slip. Now this is a lace-up system. It would have been nice to have something like a quick tie, but obviously that can be installed if you get that kind of aftermarket. But again, the shoe is really well designed. I do like the specific color scheme. And then as you can see, the outer portion of the shoe is this really durable canvas. They last a really long time. Usually I can use a pair of these for multiple seasons before anything really wears out. And nothing usually wears out up here. It's usually the bottom of the sole that contacts my pedals that begins to wear out. But this, again, has enormous amounts of durability. You can also see up here on the toe, it has this really nice protective kind of bit, a lot of rubberized area that just gives a little extra protection for your toes. Has this nice little red stitching around, again, the front area here. And it's, again, a really nice fit. It conforms the foot. It is gonna feel a lot stiffer, again, than maybe your running shoes or something else you've been using in the past. But having these mountain bike shoes has just been incredible. I definitely won't be able to go back. So there you go. That's a closer look at the 510 Freerider Pros. Hope that helps your buying decision be just a little bit easier. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of these mountain bike product reviews coming up on our channel. We'll see you again on the next one.